Alright, so hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, so guys, can you all hear me loud and clear? Can you all hear me? Awesome, what's up? Welcome to Zoom, our first ever New York session for you guys on Zoom. All right, guys, listen, a quick disclaimer, okay? We're not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bang pips, which we then convert into money, all right? So if any one of you is looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone to teach you about these Forex markets and, of course, trade the Forex profit to build strategy live, my bad, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do, all right, you guys? So listen, first things first, we're live on YouTube right now, okay? So go ahead and sub, all right? Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Give us a little bit of a head start. We've been doing this for you guys for 6 months. We're treating you guys as our private members, and please just go ahead and get that done for us, okay? We'd really appreciate it. Cool. This is what we're looking at right now. All right. This is nasty. That's dirty. All right, and that's gold. Gold's not doing too much. I like a nice little short position on nasty here. Okay, maybe if we break that, we test out that little wick that we're seeing. All right, and then maybe we can also attempt to hit the RD support, which would be somewhere over here. Okay, but that looks like a nice little impulse that may start to kick in right now, and we could look to possibly break out of there and get a little bit of a move. And of course, if we want to break down from here on the dirty, we can look to get that retracement, okay, to the downside. It's a very bearish trend. So that was the bullish move that was initially happening. Some would call this a pullback, but it could also just completely pick up from here and then continue to push back down. Okay, so let's see what this wants to do. And I have Goldie set up for you guys as well. We could have nice little shots on gold here. Okay, head down to maybe that region, which would act up as our neckline, and we could have our buys up there. Next level of resistance coming in right there. Also, we had a great turn up for London, so thank you guys so much. We had about 20-25 people that came on for London. 30 people that came on for London. I reckon, I think there's going to be a little bit of a transition since we've moved over from Discord to Zoom. So, which is probably why we have fewer people on, but it's all good. We'll get people to join as and when we keep moving, okay? Because this is the way we're going to be doing it from now. How do you guys hear me? Do y'all hear me clearly? Do y'all see the screen nice and clear? Is it better than Discord, you guys? Yeah, super nice. Awesome. Okay. All good. Do y'all hear me loud and clear? Perfect. That was the whole point. Okay, for you guys, our OG traders, the ones that we're going to be treating like our private members, because you guys are our private members. Okay, for you guys, we're doing this, all right, and let's this is the start to something great, and we're just looking forward to what comes next. Okay. All right, so let's take a look. The RSI. Alright, not showing us too much. Oops, my bad. Nasty, picking up support from there. I like the sells coming in. Alright, I like the buys and possibly even the sells coming in over here, but we may have a little bit of a retracement to the downside, and then we could possibly start to pick up from here. Okay, so that's something that we could be doing as well. Babe, can you try to go onto Forex, this thing, and put the story on Ruffle.
Where?
Go on to. Okay, Goldie is doing something. Let's take a look. All right, just an attempt. Solid supply coming in there. Okay, wait for price to break past. Wait for price to make its move if you want to get in on any sort of buys. Go ahead. Mic check. Hello. Go onto YouTube. Find Forex trading. Take the link. Copy paste the link on your Famido. As
I'll find it from Forex.
yeah. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? What are you guys up to? Okay, solid selling pressure coming in. Let's have a little alert on the dirty here. Let's have an alert on, I'm sorry, on nasty there, on the dirty here. Let's just have some alerts. Okay, we don't want to miss on any sort of moves. No trades so far. Likewise, no trades, no trades. I'm just chilling, just watching. Let's see if we even want to get any sort of moves today, okay? This week is going to be relatively slower. There's not too much happening. There's not too much liquidity in the markets this week. So let's see, all right? It looks like a good week to start learning. What?
Where to send?
What send?
Copy paste it.
To your Famido.
So he's not done.
Yeah. Put a story, link in bio, and put the link in the bio. Okay, let's see. We have news in about the next 8 minutes, you guys. Let's see if we want to get any sort of volume kick in time for news, or if not, then we're just gonna probably most likely have to wait till market open. Okay, but let's see. If we get some moves, we're just gonna bank and we're gonna get out of these markets like we always do. Okay, we're not one of those streamers that like staying on for 2, 3, 4 hours. We like coming on, doing the deed, getting our pips, and getting the fuck out of these markets. Okay, am I allowed to like swear on YouTube? Can I do that? Milzone, are we gonna get banned for that? Strike one. I'm still gonna swear though, man. Fucking hell. Might affect the algo. Oops. Alright. I guess I'm gonna have to shut my fucking mouth. Okay. Let's see. Alright, little bit of maybe a pullback and one-on-ones. Y'all should be seeing maybe a potential. Yeah, put on the New York market open. Sorry guys, I was just talking to Cash. Okay, little bit of a possible pullback, and then maybe we could get a little chunkier of a move. Okay, so let's see. Goldilocks. Let's take a look at Goldie. There you go. Impulse is kicking in. Wait for the candle to break past, okay? Did you put in, oh, you have to put that also. Okay. Very, very, very wiki right now, okay? You guys wait for an impulse or something to happen, okay? Okay. Right, Wiki, what do you guys want to see for news? It's not going to be very volumized. The news isn't going to be too crazy, but what do y'all want to see? Do y'all want to see gold or do y'all want to see the indices? What do y'all want to see for news? Gold seems sus. Yeah. Very. Indices. Okay. Sleepy. The markets, these sort of markets make me sleepy, you guys. You'll know what it's like. What are you trading? I'm looking at gold. I'm actually looking at gold. Gold seems like the cleanest potential move to me today. All right. Nasty is good as well. All right. I like the sells on Nasdaq too. Um, I like the sells on the dirty as well. They all look good. They all look good right now. Okay, but it's just I feel like we need to get enough volume to really kick in. Okay, so then in the next 4 minutes we could get a little bit of a pop, but it may just be nothing as well. Cram, why do you like the sells on Nasty? That's why. Divergence. Right, so we're coming into some bearish divergence. And we're also maybe making a potential double top. Neckline break, push to the downside. If that's a lot of selling momentum on the dirty. Okay, so we've got to see, you know, are they going to pull back? Are they going to, y'all know how it is, right? We break the floor, we've got to successfully make the floor the ceiling, right? So this is what they're testing to do right now. They're testing to make it the ceiling. If we hold here, then we're most likely going to start pushing back down again. Okay, but we've got to see how they react up there. Okay, solid supply kicking in on gold, nice and strong. Did you put the link?
In the bio.
Click on it and see if it takes you there.
I did. I have to check the three
Sure,
buttons.
go on. I want to see if it comes in here. Can you also get YouTube? Can you
Happy?
also? I want to see if it comes here, babe. Join. Can you also get a YouTube link and send it to me on WhatsApp? Or you need to put it on the Zoom.
With this video is YouTube link.
Okay. All right, guys. Push and pull movement going on right now.
I'm using the next one. I'm using the next one.
Yep, we've got news in the next 2 minutes. Guys, do y'all hear me clearly? I hope y'all hear me. If you guys could just message.
Yes.
You'll hear me, right? Okay, awesome. Do y'all hear me now? Do y'all hear me now?
No.
Huh? Do you guys hear me now? Mic check.
No.
Are you sure? Why is this still green?
Because I'm YouTube. Shut up.
I'm serious.
Yeah, I can't.
You can't hear me?
Yeah, because it's me.
On YouTube.
I'm on Zoom.
Try YouTube. Okay. Alright guys, sorry, we're just
Experimenting.
okay, we're just experimenting a little bit. Okay, we're new with the whole system. We're trying it all out. It's all good, alright? So we have news in the next 45 seconds, you guys. Indices, supply kicking in on Nasty, looking good. Wow, that's a lot of wick on gold. Maybe you guys were right. Maybe we should stay away from gold. Let's look. Okay, let's look. Let's see what they want to do. If you don't want to take the first candle, you don't have to. It's all good. All right, just letting you all know. Wait for the candle to close. Okay, and then we try to make a move from there. Okay, so let's get into. Okay. Oh yeah, the freaking moves happened. Literally a minute after Cash got off the call. It was ridiculous.
News.
Okay, and it's a dud. There's nothing happening on here. There's nothing happening on here at all. All right, let's see. We want price to break into one of our boxes. Okay, so you guys know the way we have our setups. You want price to have a break, retest, rejection, and a break of previous structure. Okay, that's what's gonna qualify it as a triggered setup. Okay, so we have negative news for the USD. Building permits worse than expected. All right, negative, which is why we could possibly see gold have a pop. Okay, let's see if they want to respect the supply here on Nasty. Watch out. Okay, so gold's kicking in. There you go. Look at 2007. All right, that's going to be a strong level of resistance that's going to come into these markets. Let's see. I'm still watching this. All right, I'm not going to jump in on the impulsive buy right now. I do believe that we're still going to possibly push down. Okay. Worse than expected. So we've got negative news for the USD. See what I mean? Okay. Did anyone get in on the impulsive buys by any chance? Did anyone get in? Feeler on the buy? Okay. Babe, who's Cashy FX? Did you just type in no? Was that you?
Is it cash effect?
It's Cashy FX. Cute, cute. Cashy FX, okay. It's got a ring to it. Okay. Look at that solid wick coming in on Goldie. Supply kicking in on Nasty as well. Very, very slow. Alright, very freaking slow. Nothing's happening. It seems like it's going to be one of those days. It's just natural. Okay, guys, if you'll hear me yawn, you'll know why that's happening. What's up with you guys? All right, listen. If y'all have any questions, I'm gonna refer to you guys as our private members now. Okay, so as and when people join in on YouTube, they're gonna know that we have private members in on Zoom. Okay, so to my private members, you guys, do we have any questions? All right, I know a lot of y'all are I know a lot of y'all are on the one-on-ones. So now's a good time. Okay, now's a good time for you guys to ask us any sort of questions, because we'd be more than happy to answer y'all. Answer me. Yes, 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 brother. Yes, I'm sorry, man. You see all of this that's happening right now with the streams. It's been keeping us really busy, which is why we haven't gotten the chance to. Cash has been after me to answer you for a very long time, but we've got a lot going on with these streams. Okay, just bear with me and I'll be there. Okay, so Dow is pushing in on the buys. Dirty's hitting a box. Yes. Right, Nasty again. Gold's pushing down. Okay, so we also have the Canadian CPI, which is negative. Goldie's starting to push down, Nasty's pushing up. Okay, listen, if you guys want to get in on the impulses, this is your chance. It's only an impulse, so please don't get in with anything more than a really teeny tiny position. It's what we like to call feelers. Alright, so make sure that you're getting in with just tiny positions. You don't want to be in on anything too big. Okay, just letting y'all know. Huh?
Making 70 on gas on that one.
Okay, so Cash just told me that we're attempting to break the 70 on Nasdaq. We have a high coming in on the RSI over there. Let's watch. All right, let's watch. Quick question, can you please explain again how your setups work? So the setups, we give you guys a break of structure setups, and you want a candle to close in our box. You then want the candle to retest, reject, and break past. Okay, so this is the buy box, this is the sell box. This is the impulsive buy. You want to close, retest, reject, and push to hit TP. And the same thing applies to the sells. All right, so that's your close in on Nasty. Let's take a look at gold. Gold didn't do much. Okay, let's see if they want to respect our now turned demand zone. Okay, they could even come down to there, half that candle. Alright, let's see if they want to respect that. Okay, if not, they're going to start to push back down. Gold's attempting to come into our cell area. Let's see if they want to respect demand or if they want to break right past it and maybe push down even further, okay?
Maybe that happens on this side. I think.
Okay, Gold, there you go. Gold's having an impulse. Alright, I'm in on a little gold feeler, you guys. I'm testing this out. Not going too crazy, realizing that this is only an impulsive move. Oops, why isn't, what's going on with my... Okay, like I said, it's only an impulsive move. So entry after retest, yeah, correct. Okay, let's wait for this candle to potentially close. One-on-ones, you guys can be trigger finger for this if y'all start to see momentum kick in. You'll know what to do with it, okay? Okay, let's see if we want to close in our box. Alright, so Nasty pushed right back down. You shouldn't have gotten with any Lambo entries because we didn't have any break of structure. And like I told you guys, okay, the divergence is definitely starting to form. I am not going to be looking to get in on these buys, irrespective of what they want to do. And of course, they're respecting demand on gold. Very, very choppy markets today, you guys. Extremely choppy. There's not too much happening. Let's see if we even want to get some sort of moves, okay? Because right now it seems extremely choppy to me. No one's there though.
We have to be more active on the channels.
Can you take our YouTube channel's link and send it on Zoom? The channel, not the... Guys, listen, I need you all to do me a quick thing, okay? How many people do we have here? We have 33 people on this call with us, okay? Our private members. What I want you guys to do is Cash is going to be putting on our YouTube channel's link right now, the one from which we're streaming. I'd request you guys to please go on and please hit subscribe, hit like, help us boost, thank you Cash, help us boost the stream a little bit, okay? And also if you guys could give us a little bit of a subscribe, it's just going to give us a little bit of a head start, nothing more, nothing less. I mean, you guys know it, right? We're still doing all of this organically. We're aware that there's 0 people on YouTube right now. We're doing this just so that we can get set up and just so that we can get ready to actually what's up, Zero, so that we can just get started, really, okay? And I'm gonna be a little selfish and ask you guys for something. If y'all want to be calling people in, okay, if y'all want to introduce people to Forex trading, what we do, send them to YouTube first. I promise you guys, we'll get them in. We'll get them into Zoom, but please direct them to our YouTube first, and then we can get them into Zoom. All right. So we need to grow the channel. We're starting now, and we'd appreciate any help that would come your way. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Make sure you're sub to the channel, okay? Okay, dokie. Let's see what they're doing. Alright, so now, gold. I'm still looking at gold. Alright, are they closing in our box? We're gonna find out. They closed in our box. Retest coming in again. Let's see, okay? Break, retest, rejection, boom. Down here, we got a TP right there, okay? Thank you guys. Thank you so much for the subs. Appreciate you guys. settle on the groove before they go. Okay, retest coming in. Goldie still retesting. Could have a nice little retest up to maybe here. Okay, let's see. Listen, if we're coming down, we need to do it now, right? Because if we start to break this, then there's a sort of chance that we're going up to our supply. Okay, so let's try and break. Let's try and break that as well. Okay. We need to respect this as supply. We need sellers to step in right over here. Yes, Rapid. It does. It does. Not heavily, but it does. Okay, as y'all can see, the dirty is super choppy, guys. We're just arranging, trading sideways, no movement happening as such. Nothing on the dirty. Nasty is giving us fake outs. Alright, please be careful, you guys. If we break this, we could go up to our next resistance for sure. But against price action, okay? Gold, never mind. Gold's giving you little mini strokes. Okay, Nasty is trying to do it again. Thought it was coming for the breakthrough. Yeah, man. Gold always does that. Scare you in. Solid feeling. This to me is looking like liquidity. Okay, you guys. There's a liquidity pool up there that we want to break past and come down from. Had Lambo ready. Hey man, be careful, camper. Not that easy. Okay, let's break first. Let's break. Yeah, being patient. Good, good. This setup may not even be ready right now. You know what I'm saying? We could possibly, this could be a fake out for now, and this could be the move for market open or for the RD swap. So, excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. You want to make sure that you break this with momentum and then start to push. Okay. Okay, Nasty is trying to create a higher high. If you guys are in buys, please know when to take out your profits, okay? This is a 4-pip move, even though it looks bigger. It's not too much. Ask yourself, is it worth going against price action for 12 pips? If the answer is yes, go ahead and knock yourself out, okay? This week's gonna be extremely slow, you guys. I'm letting y'all know from now. There's not too much news coming out. There isn't anything really, okay? We're just gonna have to see how these markets move, and if we get opportunities to make money with the right risk management, if we're able to do that, then it's all gonna be good, and we'll still bank some pips, okay? But look at what gold's doing right now. We closed right back above. This is the reason I was saying that we need to get in with feelers and nothing more than that, okay? Not till we break our structure down here. So what's my stop loss gonna be for my feeler? It's gonna be right above our supply there, which is about 27 pips, okay? My feeler is $1. That's 27 bucks, 30 bucks for me, not more, including commissions, okay? How was last week? I was sick. I didn't get a chance to trade. Last week was good. Last week was good. Definitely better than this week. Test the setups with feelers at this point. Yes, just what Cash said. Okay. Alright, the cells could possibly be kicking in. Let's get it, you guys. Let's get it. Come on, fucking hell. You guys are creepy, man. You guys are creepy. Stop. I hate the fucking webcam on YouTube. I hate that. It's like, guys, we literally have 2 cameras right now. Yeah. Yeah, Cash is like we can't give our profile, our angle to either of the cameras because there are 2, and I've got my screen that I'm looking right through. But yeah. Fuck gold, man. Oops. I'm not supposed to be swearing apparently. Huh? So we need to wait for another candle to close on the gold sell box, or would the current candle breaking structure be a sell right now? Current candle breaking structure would be a nice little entry for sure. Definitely a nice entry. Alright, just boom, boom, trigger finger. Idly, again, as we start the one-on-ones, Poppy, I'm guessing you're the same Poppy. But yeah, as we start the one-on-ones, you'll see how we'd use the entry-exit strategy over here. But for now, yeah, breaking this, we're making a new low. So if you're fast enough, you could bank those quick, maybe 15, 20, 30 pips. Yes, it's me. Awesome. You're Rapid's friend, aren't you? He told me about you. Okay, potential double bottom, maybe kicking in on the dirty. Alright, that's what I thought was gonna happen to begin with. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. Okay, just give me a second. Yes, he told me about the one-on-ones. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, so we're just watching, we're just chilling. Do you guys have any questions? Let me know. Let me know if we have any sort of questions at all, okay? Because this is, it's a relatively slow session, and I'd be more than happy to clear up any sort of doubts or any questions that you guys have. Gold's about to happen. Yes, sir. Cut. Shout out to you, man. Me and Cash, we were chilling last night, and we were binging your freaking videos, man. Shout out, loved it. I love the one with Zoe, bro. I kid you not. Thank you so much. It's amazing. I can't wait to start getting them out on the internet. They're gonna be freaking bangers. Okay. Alright, I'm in on gold, okay? I'm in on gold. I'm not in with a very big position. I'm because I don't like the chop. I should have probably gotten in with a bigger position. I'm running by about 525 right now. Okay. Not too much, but we're dropping. Who's in on gold with me? Who's taking that? In? Alright. Cool. I'm up by 700 on gold. I'm gonna set this to break even, you guys, because I don't want to be risking too much, okay? I'm up by about 20 pips on gold right now, so 1,002.14. Cool. I'm in a break-even trade, okay? Now, if this goes against me, it's fine. I will get stopped out at break-even, and it is what it is. But if it doesn't, then I'm still gonna continue to hold, okay? Alright, that's acting up as another little bit of a retest. So if you got in with your impulse over here, this could also act as the retest rejection and possibly the break of our bigger structure to the downside, okay? Okay, let's see. Retesting, retesting, retesting. Let's make some money. Let's do it, man. Okay, I'm still holding on to this trade, you guys. I'm still holding on to this. It's not a very big position, so I can hold on to it without really stressing. I'm testing it out, okay? If you got in with a fat position, you would have to get stopped out at break even. That's not the way I really always trade, okay? I like taking in positions. I like managing my risk, and I don't go too crazy. The numbers that you see, they seem big, and they seem big because our accounts are big. Okay, that's about it. But apart from that, our risk management is on point, which is why we're able to sustain in these markets, and it's why we're able to make money consecutively again and again and again in these markets. Okay, guys. Fucking hell, that's shitty on Nasdaq. Very, very shitty on Nasdaq. We could look to maybe start to get in a buys, maybe even at this area. Looks good to me. Okay, so in case we start to get rejected from here, we could start looking at this region for the buys. Gold is so slow. Gold is so slow. It's horrible. Were you in on the nasty buys? Okay. I didn't like the buys to begin with on nasty. Okay, I was looking for the sells. One-on-ones, what are you all seeing? What's the potential formation that we could be coming into right now on Nasdaq? What are you guys seeing? Nice. Yes, yes, good stuff, you guys, good stuff. Potential moves coming in, okay? Like I said, this could be a market open move, okay? And it's starting to look more and more like that right now. We do have the Ali swap in the next 7 minutes. Let's see if we want to get that swap and that volume, okay? But look at gold. They're still trying, you guys. They're still trying, right? Maybe the Ali momentum is what we need. I like this TP down here at 1999. Okay, 1999 looks good. Let's see if we happen to break and go boop 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 to the downside. Okay. I'm not going to be layering my positions in today, you guys. I'm happy with just having a small position. It's not one of those days where it seems like we should be going too crazy. It's really not. Yesterday was a really, really shitty trading session as well. If you guys were on it, y'all would have seen it. That was the reason we didn't come live yesterday. But I just don't feel I'm literally using half my normal positions. Okay, so you guys on my private Zoom session, you guys know that y'all know what my positions usually are, right? But I've literally halved it for today, and look at that. All right, we're breaking down on gold though. I'm running by about 500 bucks. Okay, 500. Let's see. That's round about my entry on gold. Okay, this candle was my entry on gold. Okay, still about 400 bucks, which is about 30 pips. Okay, I'm running about 30 pips on this move. Okay, watch out. Let's see if we want to pick up from here, okay? Boom, that looks nice. That looks nice. Okay, I'm running by 870. 900 on Goldie. We're starting to drop. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Who's in on gold with me, you guys? Okay, right when I said that, the retest is kicking in again. But I'm still running by about 550, 600 on this trade. So I'm still happy. I'm still good. Listen, if you guys are in, set it to break even or realize your profits. I'm telling you all. Today is not a good day to be trading these markets. We're still trading it nonetheless, okay? So watch out. And make sure that you're not over leveraging today. All right, I'm running by about 600, 700. It's ranging 800. I just saw a flash of 8. I get $1,000 on this. I'm gonna pull this out. Okay. There you go. 1155. All right, I'm running 1,000 on this trade, 1,035, 1,200. There you go. Let's fucking drop. Let's do it. 1,230, 1,300, 1,400 on gold. Who's catching this with me? Who's catching this, you guys? W, I want to see more W's in the freaking chat. W's, come on, man. What a way to get started on YouTube. I think we have like 9-10 people on YouTube. This is what we do here at Forex Trading, you guys. We've been doing this for 6 months consecutively. We do this twice every single day. We're here for the London market open, we're here for the New York market open, and we just come, we bank our pips, and we get out of these markets, okay? So make sure to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're going to be live here every single day. All right? Cool. So I pulled out partials on that one. I pulled out $1,000, and I still have about $250 that's still running in these markets, okay? I hope you all have realized profits as well. Okay, you guys, Marius, Jared, Pocket, Kyle, Camper, Richard, Rapid, all of you guys, I hope y'all have liquidated your positions or at least taken out some partials. Okay, Rahul, good stuff, brother, good stuff. Okay, because now we could straight up get a reversal on this. The dirty, okay, dirty's giving us an impulse, all right? If the sells want to kick in, the sells are going to kick in. It is what it is. Only an impulse, okay? You want to wait for a candle to close, retest, reject, and then possibly continue to push down. Okay, still looks like a nice retest on gold. I'm closed. All right, so you guys caught gold. I love that. I love that, okay? Do you guys want to see the legend, the myth, Zoe? Do you all want to see Zoe? If I want to see Zoe, hop over to YouTube right now. I'm going to show you guys Zoe. Hop over to YouTube, and I'm going to show you all Zoe right now, okay? Let me know when you guys are there.
Becoming famous now. Yes. Say hi. Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone. Hi, my name is Regina.
Okay, I'm going to show her in just a second.
So I'm Regina.
Sorry, you guys. I'm just...
Daddy, I'm Jojo.
NYT. Alright. Say hi to Zoe. Oh, that's a little rat. Look at that. Oh, who's that? She's tiny. She's very tiny and she's really loud for her. Zoe, look there. Zoe. Oh, yeah, she's adorable. She's like 4 kgs, you guys. She's super tiny. Zoe. She's my Simba. Right? Are you Simba? Zoe. Ooh. Give Dandy a kiss. Give Dandy a kiss. No kisses for Dandy. Oh. Let me walk now. That was Zoe, you guys. Gold still? Yeah, man. I'm still in on gold. I am. I'm still chilling on gold. I haven't re-entered, but I'm up. I'm up by quite a bit, and I'm liking it. Okay, 2 seconds. Let's see how the dirty, okay, the dirty closed. I don't like exactly where it closed, but again, we break that, we could get a little bit of a drop. So we're basically at the psychological 34,000. That's what we're looking at. But they're dropping, you guys. They're dropping. Okay, look at that. Is anyone in on the dirty right now? Anyone in on the dirty? Please be careful. Okay, I'm just letting you all know. Don't go too crazy. I do expect this to start pushing back up. I'm going to be straight up with you guys. Alright, it does have potential to push down, however. But as y'all can see, we're coming into some bullish divergence on the dirty as well. Okay, boom and bam. Alright, so be careful. Hey Cram, how do you calculate lot sizes for the indices? Because the lot size calculators that I've found is able to calculate lot size figure only shows units or lots and units the same. Well, yes and no. So different brokers have different ways that they have different contract sizes basically. The best thing to do, it depends on what broker you with. What broker you with? VNS. If you're with one of our recommended brokers, I'll be able to help you. Hanko, alright, it's pretty simple, okay? A 0.1 lot on Hanko across the board. Alright, if it's the indices, Forex, it really don't matter. Guys, I re-entered into gold, by the way, okay? I'm sorry, give me a second. I'll just get back to you, VNS. I'm in on gold again. Alright, fatter position this time, running by $1,000. Again, okay? Yeah, so VNS, okay, sorry, buddy. $1,300 on gold, alright? Running, pushing, back to about 750, 800. Okay, I got in with a fat one, so I am in on a break-even stop loss, but I'm in on a pretty fat one right now, okay? Okay, nice. I'm running by 1600 on gold, and it still looks like we're trying to fall. We're trying to go and test our 4-8 support, okay? Okay, 1300, 1400, come on, give it to me. Give me my 2 grand. I'm gonna make my 3 for the day, and I'm gonna be done. Alright, back to 7, 800, still very rangy. Very, very rangy, okay? Look at that, this is what I meant. I told you guys, alright? It looks like a nice double bottom that could be kicking in. I like these potential buys coming in over here. I'm still running on gold, you guys. But 1600 on gold, 1700 on gold. Let's fucking get it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it. Come on, drop to the 4 support, Goldie. Do it. Do it. Let's make our pips and let's get out of these markets. 1900. I'm 2K. I just touched 2K on gold. Come on, 2200, 2400. Boom! This is what we do. Gold is bleeding, you guys. 2800 on gold. I am liquidating my position. I'm done. I just pulled out 2370 on gold. Who caught that with me? Let's go. Who caught that with me? Who caught gold with me? That was insane, you guys. I freaking loved it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. W for me as well. So I all in all banked 1,000 plus 2370 on gold, 3370 on my positions on gold. I love seeing this live cam hype. I love it, man. I love it. Can we send GIFs? You're gonna have to figure that out, bro. You're the dude, man. You're gonna have to figure that out. Guys, Kurt is a freaking awesome editor. I kid y'all not, man. I can't wait for y'all to see the content that he's been brewing for us. It's so freaking insane, and it's lovely, man. It's just we're a couple of days out, and we're gonna start posting all of that stuff. It's freaking lovely, Kurt. Seriously, bro. Thank you so much. I'm done for the day too, Kyle. Really, I'm done for the day too. 3 grand on a very choppy day. Sounds like a really good day to me. Okay, but gold attempted to test, and naturally we're coming into some demand down here, very, very naturally. Okay, so this is why we're getting a little bit of a bounce back now. Alright, let's take a look at Nasty. Nasty is attempting ourselves. Demand here. One-on-ones. What do y'all think is happening in this region? Come on. What do y'all think is going to happen from here right now? Come on, you guys. There you go. There you go, you guys. We're going to pick up demand from here, exactly like we're doing, okay? I'm expecting price to retest our supply again. Okay, because we're forming a nice little neckline over here, as we can see. It's a pretty clean neckline that we're forming. He fell down. Okay, gold still down there. Nasty's here. Okay, what are y'all seeing potentially to begin on the dirty? Lots of things happening over here. Good stuff, camper. We have a double bottom, potential head and shoulders as well. Potential inverse head and shoulders as well. Possible nice little shoulder over here, push to the upside. Let's see. This may be a market open move. It may be a move that actually happens right now. We're gonna have to find out. Okay. Gold's still bleeding, you guys. Gold's still pushing to the downside. We're still looking to go and test out that little area over there. Okay, gold's still falling. Guys, also, for the ones that were here for London on the stream with us, is the audio better than it was for London? Can one of you guys please let me know? Someone who attended London as well. Much better? Okay, good, good. Yeah, we got it fixed. We got it fixed. It was just a little bit of an issue. But we have that taken care of now. Awesome. Okay. Alright, so let's see if we pick up demand from here. And like we thought, let's see if we're going to make our right shoulder, okay? Zoe. Zoe. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Who's my good girl? Okay, look at gold, you guys. Gold's still pushing down. I did liquidate my position completely, so I have nothing on gold right now. Is anyone still holding gold? Because if you guys are still holding gold, y'all are money right now. Is anyone still in on gold? Spreads are bad. What are your spreads like right now, camper? Out of gold, doubly on gold, now I'm chilling. I think in the FAQ, I think it says there's not a lot of news. Are you talking about FTMO? W on gold, now I'm chilling likewise. My spreads are good, I'm just saying FTMO spreads are bad. Yeah. I just had this conversation with someone last night, someone from the one-on-ones. The spreads on FTMO are horrible. That was the reason that Cash and I stopped using FTMO. FTMO was actually one of the first prop firms that we actually attempted to use, and we naturally failed. But I know now why. Yeah, we're currently using MFF. We've had no problems with MFF so far. Hey, I'm just gonna quickly go through the YouTube comments. I have gotten a chance to do that. Zoe, catch the win on gold. Awesome. Need Dow Jones to go. Awesome, you guys. Okay. Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss? Can you be trading? Can you take some trades for us? Huh? Sure. The lovely wife wants to look at Nasdaq. Babe, Nasdaq's open. Okay. Impulse on the dirty. Anyone catching this? I was too busy kissing Zoe. I didn't get that. Anyone in on dirty? Fucking hell, look at gold. Still dropping. Gold was the play for the day, you guys. Look at that. I told y'all when we started. Who remembers that? I told you guys I'm going to be watching gold because gold's going to give it to us today. And gold's still tanking, man. I should have held on to this. Barney, you still have a runner? That's awesome, man. I wish I would have left a runner on this. It would have been really nice. Okay, retest. I would suggest y'all to wait to break that zone. Okay. Okay, solid retest. Guys, starting to look like a nice little juicy double bottom to me as well, okay? It's looking nice. We just need to make sure that we don't fucking, oops, my language. We don't come back down to retest our demand down here, okay? But apart from that, this is looking nice and chunky, you guys. Look at that, okay? Let's see if they want to break that zone that we've given you guys at the 4H, and then we could go to test out that beautiful wick. Okay, nasty potentially coming in as well. Finally, gold picked up some support. Finally. It's a nice 43 pip move on gold, you guys, okay? Low volume markets, 43 pips is very, very, very nice, trust me. Nasty's only testing it out, buddy. We need to get a nice little bounce back from Nasty as well. It's only testing it out right now. Yep. Okay, watch out, buddy. We could be coming into Nasty, okay? But still, I please only be in on feelers over here because we've got demand sitting right here, okay? So let the first candle close on our box and then you can look to get into anything bigger than a feeler, alright? But for now, let's just stick with the feelers. What do y'all think? Are we gonna get a market open move? Do y'all think we're gonna have some volume kick in, or is it gonna probably still be a dud? What are y'all thinking? Bro, on YouTube, is your name Primal420? Is that what it is? 420 is the only thing I know from that, however. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay. Nasty potentially kicking in. Guys, I'm not going to be looking at gold no more, okay? I think we're done with gold. Gold move is most certainly done. Let's maybe pay some attention to the indices for market open that's coming in within the next 15 minutes, okay? What do y'all think? Are we gonna pick up support from here? What are y'all thinking, guys? One-on-ones? Do y'all think we're gonna be picking up some support from here, or are we gonna most likely just start a push down? Yeah, maybe HNS. Okay. Right shoulder. Ugh, look at gold, man. Still dropping. Still doing its thing. Still dropping, man. Next stop. Somewhere there. Sure. I like that more. Okay. You could consider that a break of structure in reverse. I like the Nasdaq sales coming in finally, okay? It doesn't look like they are going up for the retest, alright? So if you guys are in on Nasdaq, please realize your profits when you're in some. Good lord. Look at the Dow, it came right back down. Look at that. Very dirty on the Dow. How ironic. um, okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see if they want to respect that as our demand box right now. Okay, and that's what I was talking about. Alright, fake out. For anyone that got in on this, I told you guys, very solid chance that we're going to push back up to create that shoulder. They've picked up demand from our support down there. Okay, now let's see how they react to this supply. And maybe this is still going to be a market open move, alright? It's still very, very possible. So let's see how they want to come into that. And fucking gold is just bleeding and bleeding and bleeding, you guys. We're just pushing down more and more and more on gold. Gotta be HNS. Looks like it. Looks like it. If you're in on feelers, have your stop loss all the way up there, okay? Again, if you're in on a feeler, you should be able to hold a 20-30 pip stop loss on it. Okay, switching this right back up. Let's have that back up there now, because we've realized there's been fake out number one over here. Let's see if we want to break past that. Maybe get a move to the upside. Okay. Sorry, you guys. This week is gonna be relatively choppy. I'm letting you guys know. There's not too much that's gonna be happening this week. But still, okay. If we got through December, and you'll remember how December was, if we could successfully get through that, I'm confident that we can successfully get through this week too. Okay. All right. Let me take a look at. I'm just reading that BTC is on the rise. Okay, is it? Take a look at ETH first. Okay. ETH's dropping. Nice little pop. Okay, about an hour back. 2 hours back. Pushed up. We tested 2123, 2100. Okay, nice little pop on BTC. 30k. 3500. Nice and bullish, you guys. Nice and bullish. Huh? BTC. Ugh. Look at that. Solid buyer stepping in from our demand as we thought. Okay. Sleepy, you guys. Sleepy, sleepy. Gold? I should have held gold, right? I should have held on to it. Sometimes, guys, I'm too strict on myself for my own good. I kid you all not. Like this, I should have just taken out partials. I did, but then I also wasn't being greedy and I closed my positions. But then I'm not gonna complain because again, um, if it would have gone against me, I would basically still have to be trading and I would still have to be trying to be on alert mode, finding for these setups for myself. Okay, so I'm not complaining because it made me hit my profit target. Um, Sometimes it's good to leave those feelers and those partials, man. They really add up. Okay, look at that. Potentially building the right shoulder right now. Hmm? I don't know how anyone could be comfortable buying this market. Alright, it's extremely clear what they're trying to do right now. Very, very solid divergence as well. Um, if the right shoulder forms, we go down. Most likely. Most likely. And nothing's fixed in these markets, but that's what we'd be looking for, yes. Okay. Watch for the dirty. I'm just gonna fix the dirty up a little bit, okay? Because we're coming into some demand on the dirty right there, which I don't want to miss out on. Okay, based off of those wicks. Okay, coming into some demand here. Let's go ahead and draw a nice little box of demand so that we know. Okay, so gold did hit TP. Alright, we hit the TP that we thought we would, and they're still dropping if they want to push down even further. They're coming in there. We should have. Is anyone still in on gold? Please tell me, you guys. Please tell me at least one of you is still in on gold. At least one of you, please. That would make me so happy, man. I'm sadly not. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. I want one of you guys. I'm on a fat one, my man. I thought you didn't make it to the stream today, man. All the way from original BOS. I love that, brother. I love that. Damn it, man. The party's on you, Millzone. Okay. Dirty. Kicking in. Alright, so maybe they want to scrap the bullish move. The sells. Something tells me to not do that. Something tells me to not get into that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm talking about the sells on the dirty. Huh? Yeah, but something tells me it's not going to. I don't like it. I don't know. It may happen, it may not happen. We're gonna have to find out. Nasty looks good for the sells. Nasty looks good for the sells. Okay, 13 seconds to go, you guys, and this is also going to be the last 5-minute candle before market open. Okay, so let's see. Retest. Look at Nasty as well. Nasty as well, trying to slowly seep into our cells. That would qualify as a right shoulder. I have no problem with that. Okay, but let's see if they want to close this candle and then start to push down further. Yeah, man, I know. I'm not looking at gold. I'm just letting it go. I'm not gonna look at it. Okay, I made what I had to from this. I'm not gonna be greedy. Okay, guys, I got in on a small position for the dirty. Okay, very tiny position. Trust me, I'm not trading big today. I've hit my profit target. Just feeling this out. Okay, let's now look at gold. Excuse me. Guys, listen, this being said, on market open, we could actually go up and continue to make our right shoulder or even push higher to maybe make a double top. Okay, so even though the overall sentiment of the market is bearish, but we may have some gaps to fill before the markets actually start to push down. Okay, so if that's the case, then we're going to push up to our supply, possibly push up to that area, or even possibly push up to that area. Okay, so don't be hedging in on this trade. Just wait for the first candle to close, have a retest, and break out. Okay, or look for the break of this zone right there. Okay, where my cursor is at. Gosh, look at Goldie, man. Okay, we have market open in the next 3 minutes, fam. Let's hope we have a good one. If it's going to be a dud, it's going to be a dud. It is what it is. I know that a lot of you guys have made money on Goldie today. So it is what it is, okay? If we don't get a move, it's fine. We'll always catch moves tomorrow. There are always more pips to be made, and there are always more setups to crack, okay? Ooh, look at this. Potential death cross coming in. Guys, listen, every time when we're within our trend lines, we're always going to be choppy. Okay, that's just the way these markets work. When we're within this, chop's going to kick in. Okay, just like right now. So let's see if we're still going to be choppy, if we're actually going to get the move. Man, gold's still pushing. Stop. Okay, so we have, excuse me, oh, sorry about that, you guys. We have a minute and a half to news, to market open. My bad. Let's see. All right, they're starting to take this bullish on Nasty. Maybe they're holding. I do believe that they're going to go back to our supply. Okay, just letting you all know. I believe that that's going to possibly happen on Nasty. Okay, boom, 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 up there. We've got to see how they hold our supply here, and then we're possibly going to start a push down. Okay. However, the dirty is trying. Okay, market open in 40 seconds, you guys. 40 seconds to market open. Let's hope we get a good move. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now at all? Or are you guys just watching? Watching. Okay, cool. All right, look at that. Guys, I still have my gold cell runner, feeler, that's running for 90 bucks. 90 bucks. Anyway, this is market open, you guys. Let's have a good one. Okay, down, retest the gap Nasty up. I'm running by 600 bucks on the US 30. I entered in. All right, I'm at break even right now. Small position, so like I said, it's nothing too big for my account. Very, very volatile. Round about break even right now. Let's see. All right, they gap Nasdaq up. Let's take. Fuck me, man. Look at gold. Look at gold. Why weren't we still looking at gold? Okay. Okay, Nasty. Gap up, pushing to the upside, going to test our supply. And I'm running about 300 bucks on the dirty. Okay, 300 bucks. 300 bucks on the dirty. Oops, 800, 900 on the dirty. Boom! Guys, I got in on Nasty as well. I'm running about 1100 and 300 on Nasty, okay? 1300, 1400 on the Dow. Beautiful move. 15, 1600. I just liquidated. So I just closed out my nasty position because I didn't want to look at that. But I'm running by 2 grand right now on the dirty. 2,000 on the dirty. We hit TP. Boom. We're respecting it. I'm pulling this out, and I just pulled out another 2 grand. I am done for the day, you guys. Who caught that with me? I want to see W's in the goddamn chat. Who caught the dirty with me? This is what we do here at Forex Trading, guys, every single day. Twice a day. I'm tired of telling you guys, stop shilling us. We're here to freaking do this for y'all. We're here to make trading these markets fun for y'all. This move is still dropping, and I don't care because I made another freaking... How much did I make on this? Let me tell you guys. I made 1650 on the dirty. Boom! Too easy, VNS. I agree, my man. Too easy. We wait for the setup, you guys. This is it. You see how important being patient in these markets is? Patience is key. You have patience, you have risk management, and you have Forex trading. Us, I promise you guys, there is no market that you're not going to be able to crack, you guys. What a freaking move! Worth the wait, worth the wait. Let's take a look at gold. Gold fucking dropped even further. Tanked down even more. Intense moves today, you guys. It was worth the wait. We caught it. We caught it. Done for the day. Bye, guys. All right, man. Take it easy. Guys, I'm going to call it a session. Listen. Excuse me. My voice got all messed up because of the screaming. But, yes, could you explain about the lot size calculation for indices? Absolutely. All right, buddy. So on Hanko Trade, on Hanko Trade, thank you, Aaron. Thank you so much. On Hanko Trade, a 0.1 lot is 10 cents a pip. Sorry, a 0.01 lot is 10 cents a pip. A 0.1 lot is $1 a pip, and a 1.0 lot is $10 a pip. So that's basically the lots that you're going to be risking into these markets. How do you calculate the pips? Every whole number change on NASDAQ and the US 30 is 1 pip, alright? So 13177 to 13181 would be 4 pips. Get it? 13181 to 13186 would be 5 pips. Now, if you get in at 13181 to 13186 for a 1.0 lot, which is $10 a pip, that is 5 pips into $10, which is a $50. Make sense? Great session. Thank you so much. Cheers, guys. Listen. Before y'all move, let me just mute everyone on YouTube. Okay? Listen, guys. I want to say thank y'all so much. Today is the start of something. Today is... We're going to be going crazy from now, okay? I promise you guys, we haven't even started marketing anything this yet. Everything so far is all organic. We had about, I think, 15 people on freaking YouTube today as well. That was organic too, alright? So I really want to take a second right now to say thank you guys. The reason we do this is y'all. The reason we're going to continue to keep doing this is y'all, okay? And trust me when I say this. Trust me when I say this. People are actually asking me on YouTube right now that you're muted, and they don't know why, but that's how they're gonna know, and they're gonna know soon. All right, but we're building a freaking army of millionaires, you guys, and we're gonna take you guys on this journey with us. You'll have been with us for the past 6 months, and I know that you guys are gonna stick around for even longer, and I couldn't appreciate you guys more. 1 second, Cash. How many spots do we have? 1, 2 spots. 2 spots open for the week. So someone told us they were booking and then they weren't. It's really annoying when that happens. But yeah, she basically blocked the slot for someone for the past 24 hours, and the person hasn't turned up. So guess what? That's good news for you guys, okay? Which means we have 2 slots open for the one-on-one sessions. If you guys want to get, if you guys want to take your trading to the next level, make sure to message either CashFX or me on Discord, okay? Just message us. We'll get you guys hooked up. Ask anyone on the sessions. I have 110 plus people, and they'll all tell you how undervalued these sessions are, okay? Because all we're trying to do through these sessions is we're trying to pass on the knowledge that we've gained in these markets for the past 7 years, all right? GGFX, I'm not too, it's not my thing. I know people that enjoy it. I know people that find it really helpful. But I'm a phone trader, straight up, so it really doesn't make too much of a difference to me. But we can break that down on our session, okay? Also, when do you have your next session booked in for, GGFX? I have an opening next week, so I could fit you in, okay? So just message me over the weekend and let me know. If your session is not in the next week. That would be awesome. Okay, cool. Yes. Message me on Friday and I'll fix you up, okay? Alright, guys, listen. Let me unmute. Okay, sorry about that, YouTube folk. I was just talking to the private Zoom members, and yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be live here on YouTube and on Zoom for you guys for London and New York. And listen, make sure to message either Cash or me. We have two slots open. I promise you, within the next 30 minutes, these two slots are gonna go. It's gonna be a race. Whichever one of you gets it, gets it. Okay, we're gonna be closing the one-on-ones. We're not gonna be doing it for too much longer. Of course, the ones that are booked are gonna have their sessions taken care of, but the ones that aren't booked, um, um, uh, well, you're going to miss on it because I promise you, we're not going to be doing the one-on-ones for too long. We've got too much going on with our business. We've got too much going on with these markets. I won't be able to invest the time that I have been into the one-on-ones. Okay, so if you guys want to get booked up, now's the time. It's extremely nominally priced. Make sure to message either Cash FX or me, Cram FX on PWL, and we'll have you guys taken care of. Okay, but look at the Dow. It's still freaking falling. We're still pushing. I could have held this position, but I'm not going to complain. All right, that's a 78 pip move on the Dow. Finally, the retracements kicking in. This was a nice little buy zone for Goldie. We can have this over here now. If you guys are going to still be trading, if you all haven't hit your profit targets, you want to basically just break out of this, come back down, retest the demand down here, and then have a nice little, possibly a double bottom, maybe breakout, pushing back to the upside to make the whole retracement back. Okay, so get out of the sells. Don't be getting in on any sells on this market. And yeah, do we have any questions at all, you guys? Do we have any questions? This was a lovely session. Listen, again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. All right, thank you guys so much. Trust me, YouTube's going to start getting flooded in the next couple of days. I promise you guys, we're going to have a shit ton of people on here. And like I keep saying, guys, we're building an army of millionaires, okay? If you haven't done your I'm getting chills saying this for the first time on YouTube. I kid y'all not. But seriously, we are building a goddamn army of millionaires. If you don't know what we're doing, then subscribe to the channel, like the video, because we're gonna have a lot of content out here for you guys to get learning. All right. Currently, we're running through Project Whitelist on Discord. We could put in a link in the description as well. Join them, and you'll get our updates. It's only going to be for a short time because we are switching over to our own server soon, but that's where we're at right now. Okay, 35 subs now. Let's go. We were at 3 in the morning. Yeah, we were at 3 for London. So I'm gonna consider this a successful session. Okay, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. We are gonna see you guys live tomorrow for New York, and for my private Zoom members, I hope you guys enjoyed being on Zoom. I know I did. I'm sure it was a lot smoother for you guys, and moving forward, you're gonna get nothing but the best. Okay, thank you guys so much. This is freaking awesome. I'm Cram, my partners Cash and Millzone. Signing out, you guys. Bye. See y'all tomorrow. Can you put the AC off, please?
Bus market's too short. Should we trade it today? Shouldn't I?
Okay.
अरे इसका बीच में हो गया उसको
AC बंद कर.
करा नहीं